Hi, it's Nørgaard. So welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today I'm doing just a little sit down chit chat video where I do my makeup. I'm doing this full face look and I really love how it turned out. It's really neutral but still smoky and glam and dramatic, which of course is always a vibe. Yeah, it's just a really chill video. I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to get on here, do my makeup, sit down, film it. That's it. So if you like this look, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also click the bell to get post notifications for every time I upload. I used to upload 3 times a week, but that has not been possible for me at the moment. Because I'm doing my masters this spring and summer, I just don't have time to upload 3 times a week. But I try to upload at least once a week. But if you turn the notifications on, you will be notified every time I upload, if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, I think I'll just let you guys enjoy the look. I will link and list everything down below if you're interested in any of the products I used. And now without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm doing the look over here, just a nice neutral, warm-toned, smoky eye. And I'm going to start out by actually filling in my brows. I don't normally do this, but I just wanted to try something new. And I'm using a blonde eyebrow pencil because I just want a slightly more natural look. And I don't want my brows to be too harsh. So how are you guys? Personally, I'm doing good. I'm about to do the Love Life Women's Conference, I believe it's called, tonight, which I'm quite excited about. Okay, and to better match my hair, I am going in with a darker brow gel. This one is by e.l.f. It's just going to darken the hairs a bit so my eyebrows will match my hair color better. But yeah, I'm doing that conference. It's like a virtual conference tonight. It's happening in America, so there's like a 6-hour time difference, so it will be on at like 2 AM Danish time, but that's fine by me. I always go to bed late anyway. Okay, and today I'm actually using concealer as my eyeshadow base. I don't normally do this, but I saw someone on Instagram use concealer, so I thought I would go ahead and try it out again. I have tried it out before and I like it well enough. But you know, I have like special primers that I actually meant as eyeshadow bases. So usually I just go for that. But today, to keep it kind of simple, I'm just using concealer. And I'm using the Truffle palette by Beauty Glazed. So I'm going to use the kind of mauve color as my transitioning color. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm really looking forward to that tonight. It's by Joyce Meyer Ministries. I've never attended anything like it. Not in real life, not on like online. So I really look forward to it. I think it's gonna be fun. So that's how I'm spending my Friday night. I'm also doing the brown. And that one also goes in the crease, just slightly lower. And also I'm trying to film an Instagram tutorial of this eye look. That's why I already had the eyeshadows on this eye. So I hope the footage is good so I can use it, that it's clear and in focus and all that. I feel like it's not blending effortlessly out here in the outer corner, but I think that has something to do with my eye. That often happens over here for some reason. Maybe I have some weird texture in that place or something. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm taking the darkest color and I'm going to use a little MAC pencil brush, and I'm kind of like sculpting out the outer corner and working inwards towards the halfway point of the lid. And that's kind of where I want the color to be, and then I can go in and blend it out afterwards. So I'm just using a smaller blending brush to blend out this color. I'm going to use the like khaki color for my eyelid, and I'm applying it with a brush, but it might actually be better to use your finger if you are recreating this look with this palette in particular. The color is nice, it's just a weird texture. And then I like to go in with my ring finger and just tap it in. It just kind of seals it onto the eyelid. And my highlight is the lightest color. And I'm just highlighting right here underneath the arch of the brow. And then blending it out with my finger. I don't want it to be too intense at all. And I might just go in and blend a little bit more. And I'm also doing the, what is it called? Tear duct. I wanted to say Cupid's bow, but that's not it. Okay, I'm moving on to the face now. I also have something good to update you guys on actually. I got a new Huda Beauty body makeup. So if you watched my Sephora haul, you would have seen that I got this, the Nymph body highlighter by Huda Beauty, and the pump doesn't work. So I actually wrote Sephora and they sent me a new one. So I think that's really good customer service. I just emailed customer service and then they asked me to send video proof, and then I sent that and then they shipped out a new one. So I'm really happy with that. I can't wait to use it, and I have checked the pump, it works. This is actually a really nice shade match. It's really nice and yellow. Like my face gets so red. Like you see how yellow like my chest and my hands are? And then my face is like so discolored and red, and yeah. So I need like a proper yellow toned foundation. Now I just hope I can blend it out between like above my brows and I don't screw up my eyebrows. But one thing I'm not really loving is the foundation brush. I hate using foundation brushes. I don't even know why I did it today. I don't know what got over me. I always use a sponge and I always prefer using a sponge. It just never looks as good using a brush. I don't think. I know so many people love using brushes. I just don't. It just looks so much more seamless with a sponge. Like so much better. I'm even going to like blend out my forehead with this tiny mini beauty blender. It's just so much better. I'm just using a little bit of corrector underneath my eyes. I don't have like horrible dark circles, but using a corrector just always helps a little bit. And now I can use my regular concealer. There's a lot of concealer. Do you guys also see how much this concealer oxidizes? Like you see how light it looks on the applicator and then compare it to how it looks on the skin. Maybe it's just me. I just feel like it looks darker on the face. This is the KKW concealer. I don't think it's a bad concealer, but it's just not my favorite. It's also a little too thin and not enough coverage. So I'm trying to maintain as much coverage underneath my eyes as possible. But I of course still want like a blended look. And now I'm just setting everything. I'm looking super pale right now, huh? I will apply bronzer in a bit, so it will be fine. Okay, so I took a little snack break. I was feeling really hungry. I think I might be on my period soon because I already ate today. It's not like I was starving, but I was just feeling so freaking hungry. So yeah, that's probably what that means. But yeah, anyway, I'm also looking super duper pale, so let's bronze it up. My brace in the back here is also cutting into my cheek. It's really uncomfortable. And then the other day I tried with my finger to like poke the piece of metal that was poking out. I tried to like stick it back in, and then I just ripped my finger and the wire didn't move at all. So that was quite a fail. So I'm going to add this blush because I feel like it goes really well with the crease colors. And as you can see, it doesn't apply, you know, as intensely as it looks. And I'm using a little bit of the highlighter from the eyeshadow palette as my face highlighter. And yeah, just applying that all over the face. Okay, I just drenched my face in setting spray. So I slicked my hair down, and now I'm going to finish off the eyes. So I'm just bringing whatever is left on my brush actually of the dark outer corner color. I'm bringing that all the way along my lower lash line. And then I'm adding a bit of the brown, just so it's not so dark and it has more of that brown tone. And finally I'm adding a bit of the mauve, so we kind of combine all the colors, all the mattes. And I'm using Teddy Ico by MAC in the waterline. Okay, and I am also going to curl the lashes and apply some waterproof mascara. And I'm going to apply some dramatic false lashes. I'm going to do my other eye and I'll be back and do the lips with you. So I'm back now with my lashes on, and I did a few full beauty marks. And now for my lip combo, I'm going to do like my most favorite lip combo of all time. I'm going to start out with MAC Strip Down Lip Liner, and I'm just going to slightly overline my lips. Now I'm applying some Cream Cup lipstick, and then Myth lipstick, Myth, it's so hard for me to say, Myth lipstick, and yes, we're piling it on. And then I like to take a Q-tip and remove the innermost part, like this. And then I top it all off with Oyster Girl lip gloss. Okay, you guys, here we have the finished product. I love it. I love everything about it. I am ecstatic. If it wasn't because it's like 1 o'clock at night, I would be really hyped. But I'm actually getting pretty tired and I have to get ready for the conference that I was talking about earlier. So, you know, I want to get in my pajamas and take the makeup off, actually. Not because I want to, just because I want to be able to go to sleep once the conference is over. Because I do have to get up tomorrow. So I hope I will get at least like maybe 6 hours of sleep. That would be nice. Is that possible? Yeah, I think. No? 5, 6? But yeah, basically I want to try and get some sleep. But I do really love this look. I love the lip. I'm so glad I did this lip combo again. It's phenomenal. It just makes your lips look huge. Like, do you see how big my lips look? My lips are like half this size. And I have never tried any other lip products that work as well as this little combination. Like, you need these products. You can't just substitute them with like dupes. It doesn't work. These are like unique and it just works like a charm. And the eye look also turned out so nice. I love the kind of dark and smoky with the little hint of green and the like terracotta tones, and I love the lashes. And I actually also really like the skin. It looks really like flawless but still somewhat natural, I think. And I love the eyebrows. The eyebrows look so nice. Oftentimes I don't like my eyebrows. I don't know. Like, my eyebrows are uneven. One is thicker than the other. Like, one is like, and the other is like, whir. And they can tend to look too heavy and kind of pull my face down. But today I actually think they look great. So yay, I'm really happy about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, despite the fact that I didn't have a lot to talk about. Sometimes I'm just not in a really big like talkative mood, you know. That's just not me. I don't, like, most of the time I'm not going to just blabber on about something unless I'm feeling it, and oftentimes I'm not feeling it. But I hope you enjoyed this video regardless, and I want to thank you all for watching. And don't forget to thumbs up the video if you did enjoy the look, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that is all I had for you in this video, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, so take care and bye bye.